Instructions for teachers. Dear teachers, there are some instructions for you like the teacher's note over here. Do the exercises in the workbook on pages 3 to 6. And now let's discuss these activities. Being little explorers. Talk to the learners about how apples grow on trees. So as you all know that apple is a vocabulary word for the word a. So you are going to discuss how it grows on the tree. Then, being little innovators, play the sounds of different animals and ask the learners to identify them. You are going to play sounds of different animals and let them guess which animal is that. They are little builders as well. Provide the learners with building blocks and encourage them to make an aeroplane. So आपने बच्चों को blocks provide करने हैं so that they can make a nice aeroplane with that, because aeroplane starts with the letter A. Being little designers, encourage and guide the learners to color the sketch of the alligator and the letter A at the top of this page. Here, a very interesting picture of alligator is given and A is also written over it. So, let students design this alligator in a very nice way. Little thinkers, place toy apples or real apples on the table and ask learners to count how many apples they see. तो आप इंग्लिश में थोड़ी सी मैथ्स भी रिलेट कर सकती हैं by giving them apples and let them count how many apples are there.